Okay, so now we're going to show you how to remove those 40, 50 years old screws that hold the hinges. It's usually impossible to remove them by a conventional way, which is just unscrew them. For this task you need a simple impact drive with the correct bead head and a small torch which will heat up the screw and will eventually release it. Okay, so let's do it. Of course, if you're thinking about saving the paint job, you can forget about it, because as you see, the paint will burn off. Just hit the screw really good. You can just let it almost turn red hot. Let the heat do the job and release it from its fused position with the door. I think that's enough. Okay, let's take the impact drive. And it's out.